Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20 volt performance cordless jigsaw from Parkside, the model PPSTDA 20LIA1. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included, one battery series over 100 devices, compatible with all X20 volt Team Series rechargeable batteries. Brushless motor, extra long life due to less wear and tear, with stroke rate 7 stages 800 to 3800 SPM, stroke length 26 mm, max cutting depth 155 mm in wood, 20 mm in non-ferrous metal and soft metal 10 mm. Features 3-stage pendulum action and fine cut adjustment, cutting angle right and left from 0, 22.5 and 45 degrees. Accessories included: battery recommendation 20 volt 4 ampere hours and charger 20 volt 12 ampere hours. This charger, it is with a Wi-Fi compatibility. I have made a video you can check after the end of this video right in the corner. With a 5 years warranty. Who gives 5 years warranty? Amazing. In comparison to the Parkside oldest model, this one has 10 times longer motor life, 40% higher stroke rate and 30% longer stroke length. You can download the Parkside app and connect this tool. I will show you. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the case, black and red, Parkside. Here we have the manual and of course the tool. Now you can use the 8 ampere hours battery if you want at this position, maybe another one, you can have it here, or you can use the regular 2.4 amp charger or the fast charger 4.5 amps. Most of the time I'm using the 2.4 amps. Charge your battery slowly, no worries. But if you want to use more often your batteries, use the 4.5 amps. That is all at the box. Parkside Performance 2-side clean saw blade for wood and another one. And of course we have the parallel guide from 0 to 16 centimeter. And there's the tool on a black, grey and red color. Oscillation adjustment switch from 0, 1, 2 and 3. And we can see for which reason you can use the oscillation switch. We have the vacuum cleaner adapter. You can connect a vacuum here. And I think you can remove that. Oh, there it is. Just pull if you don't want to use the vacuum. And it locks. You can even remove the base if you want by removing these 4 screws. Soft elements around, I like that, nice grip. Here it is the switch for dust blowing function, on off. Lever to unlock the base, pull front, and then you can adjust left and right 22.5 degrees, or pull again. I need to screw this nut, then you can adjust, lock, and it will go to 45 degrees. 45 degrees, pull, adjust again, 22.5 degrees and 0. Same and at the right. And then you can lock. Zero degrees, nice. And with this nut you can hold the parallel guide. I think is missing one, another nut here. Let me see if it is at the box. Yes, is missing one, I can see, and in the manual you need to have 2 screws. Good, Parkside, okay. So you can install it from the left or from the right. You can remove this transparent guard if you don't want to use it. Pull and you can remove. Very easy to install. Press and it locks. Let me show you. Here we have the driving cylinder, and of course it is very easy to install one of the saw blades. With this lever you can unlock the chuck. There it is, and then install the blade. So easy, I love this, and nice. I just love it. And of course here we have the on-off switch with the lock switch. Press the lock switch and then the on-off switch. You can use it continuously. You need all the time to press the on-off switch. Nice, I love it. And here of course we have the smart connection with the app, and I need one battery. I will use the 8 ampere hours. We have the connection indicator, the battery capacity indicators, the speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and auto, the over temperature indicator, and let's connect one of the blades. Perfect. Starting with the auto, you can use it with one hand and change and the speed. That is 6. And the first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and auto. Nice, and we can see the LED working light. Perfect. Good looking tool. Remove the blade and start the setup with the app. Parkside app. Add the tool, and here we have the 8 ampere hours. Press on the button, finish it. Ready to use, firmware update available. I like that. You can do a firmware update your battery. Amazing. And after a few seconds, the tool is connected. Tool operation mode, Eco, Performance, Balance and Expert, Eco. On Eco mode we can see speed 900 RPM. Performance. And here you can change the current level. On first it is 800 RPM. Second it is 1300 RPM. Third 1800 RPM. 4 2300 RPM. 5 2800 RPM, and 6 3300 RPM, and auto it is 2020 RPM. Discharge current, LED work light, you can disable that. Let's see, enable, disable, not working, enable is working. LED intensity, and maximum. Fade out time from 1 second, we can see, to maximum 99 seconds. Overheat count, block count, overcurrent count, total tool operation time, battery settings, Current temperature it is 25 degrees Celsius. You can lock the battery. You need a pin. Operation mode for the battery. We have performance, discharge voltage 2 volt, current 100 amps, balance 2 volts 80 amps, eco 3 volts 60 amps, expert. Here you can adjust volt from 2.5 to 3.4 and discharge current from 5 to 100. Performance. Discharge voltage, discharge current, overheat notification, disable, enable, identify battery. We can see the LED indicators is flashing for a few seconds. If you have more than one battery, I like that. Current charge, discharge current, working hours, charging cycles, discharge cycles, firmware version you can update. Okay, and again here you can choose balance. Balance is working on 2300 RPM. You can choose the speeds, expert, confirm, and you can adjust 550 RPM. I like that. I don't know if anyone will use the app when he's working with the tool. Please leave your thoughts down below at the comments. What are you doing with these Parkside tools? Are you using the app? Okay, now I think we have covered everything for this tool with the app. Let's move on for testing. And that wraps up our review of the Parkside 20V performance cordless jigsaw. This tool really delivers on its performance promise. The brushless motor ensures long-lasting power and efficiency. Whether you are making intricate curves or straight cuts in various materials, the variable speed, adjustable pendulum stroke and the bright LED work light really give you the control and visibility needed for precise results. Plus, being part of the X20V team means you've got power and flexibility across your entire Parkside collection. If you are a serious DIYer or a woodworker looking for a versatile and capable cordless jigsaw that won't break the bank, the Performance Jigsaw is a solid contender. What's the most challenging cut you tackle with this jigsaw? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Parkside performance tool reviews and project ideas, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, until next time, keep building and creating!